Owen has two options for buying a car. Option A is 1.3% APR financing over 36 months, and option B is 5.2% APR annual percentage rate over 36 months with $1,500 cash back, which he would use as part of the down payment. The price of the car is $32,020, and Owen has saved $3,200 for the down payment. Find the total amount Owen will spend on the car for each option if he plans to make monthly payments. Okay, so I'm going to use this formula, this monthly payment formula for fixed installment loans, to get the monthly payment for each option, and then I'll multiply that by 36 to get the total amount that Owen is paid for each option, and then we'll add back in what he paid for his down payment. So there's some things going on with this formula. The pieces that we need: P will be the actual amount he borrows, P for principal. R is the rate as a decimal. N is the number of payments per year. And it's hard to see this, but this is raised to the negative n times t power, where t is time in years. Okay, so summarizing each option. For option A, the rate as a decimal is 0.03. He's making 12 payments a year. And time, what we need for time to input into the formula is years. So 36 months is 3 years. And we need to figure out how much he's actually going to borrow. Okay, so if the car costs $32,020 and he makes a down payment of $3,200, what he actually borrows under option A is $28,820. For option B, the interest rate as a decimal is 0.052. N is 12, number of payments per year. T is time in years. And the down payment is a little bit greater under option B. It has the $3,200 he saved, but this one has a $1,500 cash back, which he can apply to the down payment. So combining those, his down payment will be $4,700. So the actual amount he borrows under option B will be the price of the car minus this $4,700. So he would end up borrowing $27,320 under option B. Okay, going back to option A and inputting the pieces into the formula, this is what it looks like. Okay, just putting in all those pieces for option A. This is option A. And let me go over how to get this into your calculator. Okay, I'll do the payment formula for option A so you can see what it looks like to get this all in at once. Okay, so opening up a set of parentheses for the numerator expression and inputting that information. Okay, times 0.013 divided by 12. I'm going to close parentheses for the numerator and then divide that by, I'm going to open up that outer set of parentheses, 1 minus, now here's my inner set of parentheses, 1 plus 0.013 divided by 12. Close those inner parentheses and then use the caret key to raise that to the negative 12 times 3 power. Okay, so that's going to be negative 36. Okay, or you could put in a negative 12 times 3 if you want. If you're using an older TI-84 or a TI-30, if you want to put a product up here in the exponent, you need to put parentheses around it. For the newer TI-84, that's not necessary. All right, so I'm going to right arrow out of the exponent, close my outer set of parentheses for my denominator expression, press enter. So that's his monthly payment. Okay, that's not the total amount he's going to spend altogether. This is just 1 month. So I want to take this monthly payment and multiply that by 36 months because he will be paying this over 3 years. Okay, so this is not including the down payment. Now the down payment is something he has spent on this car, so we want to add that to this. Okay, so this $29,401.25 plus his down payment of $3,200 will give us the total amount he has spent. So altogether under option A, he would have spent $32,601.25. Okay, that's rounding to the nearest cent. Now for option B, okay, I went ahead and did the calculation. Okay, so you don't have to watch me input this into my calculator, but I put all the pieces into the formula, got it into the calculator. This is the monthly payment, this $821.26. I did carry it out a little further just to help with any rounding issues. And then I want to multiply that by 36 months. So under option B, without the down payment added in, he would have spent $29,565.37. But that down payment is money he did spend toward the car, so we need to add that back in for a total amount of $32,765.37. So comparing the two options, he does spend a little bit more on option B, even with that cashback offer. But it's not a significant difference. It's not horrible, but there is a little bit more spent under option B.